Yo, all right. Today is February 10th, 2026. Um, Yesterday I was trying to take a long position but couldn't find a clear entry. Um, Put the video real quickly. Once it's up. All right, so this is yesterday's price action. You can see the time is running. Market is about to open up, right? So this is the 30-minute level. I didn't think it was set yet because this is not a big movement for me to trust. Right? I don't really have anything here that shows that there was buying there. As you can see here, it's just all blank. Right? So I didn't too much mess with it. But right at the opening, we had this happening, and then price just a lot of volume coming in. You can see right here. Right? Absorption at the level, and then price does decide to take off. All right, buying came in right there. Price pushed down just a little bit, and then buy was like, no, I think we want to continue higher. The reason I did take this trade because look, we're at VWAP, right? So price stayed under VWAP the entire time. What made me think it's gonna go up above VWAP? All right, we hit settlement price. All right, um, so nothing told me that hey, we'll go, but this happened afterwards. All of these happened. No, this buy came in here. This buy came in afterwards. So maybe I could have entered here, down here, but this is way too much of a. This is way too much of a price difference. Look at this, $5, 18.75. That's like 3 times, 4 times almost the amount. So price continues here. Our price does really go up. Okay. All right. So now we do come back to this. So maybe I could have entered here, and I thought about that. Like okay, but no hammer candle to really tell me price wants to go. This never closed positive buy long. This down here. So none of that interests me. But we did have a nice rejection here. As you can see there, price basically just was like, no, right? Back at VWAP, selling point, price just goes. Right, doesn't really spend a long time there, right? So probably should have marked that because that's where I was trying to go long afterwards. So price breaks a no, that's probably not it. This is it, right? Yeah, so that area here, the price breaks above that, and now I'm looking for an entry here, but I'm looking for a deep entry around near settlement price. This is our longest volume here. When price comes to it, you can see it doesn't spend too much time there because I was looking for a deep entry because I wanted to go long because okay prices and it just did that. Doop, doop. I was like, oh, okay. So you can see my level is down here. If I had it out to this level, I would have probably entered because that's like the highest volume area after the market opened and price came back to it and bought again, right? And after that, price was just a steady shot up. Never gave me anything. Some consolidation, but not my cup of tea, all right? So that was yesterday's price action as far as how things went. All right, so now today, that price actually was that one here, bam. So price is now showing signs of potential rejection at the top here. Maybe we need to get below this area here, all right? Because that's this part here, all right? So probably below this area here for a potential something. But I like to see price come out to this and go. So we're gonna hit up the daily first. What a freaking return. 200. This is from the 6th. So on Friday it moved all the way up here, and then yesterday this little bit. It's a big return. I was really hoping price would come down to this level, but right now price is basically just coasting. 44 hour, we're back above this zone again. All right, it's a nice gap. Really just, it's very unclear. I don't really like too much this 4 hour, but price is moving nicely around it. As you can see, this is Monday. Price stayed above that and rode up here. 1 hour, is this the fresh zone? No, this zone has been touched multiple times. Okay, 30 minute, we're going to set our high and our low from yesterday. Highs up here, we're below the high. Oh, this is higher. And then our low should be there, right? Now it's a low. Okay. Alright, so it's a 30-minute time frame still. Okay. 15 minutes. I don't know how I feel about this. This feels kind of weird. Let's go back to the 4 hour. Let's see what the heck is going on with that. So this is the 4 hour one. Alright. Kind of holding it. 15 minutes. 5 minutes. I don't like this. I don't think I'm taking anything unless I get a fresh, clean level that makes sense. This right here, probably gonna go. Yeah, I don't really have anything here to really support this anymore. Besides the fact that it was it was a um, during the moment trade. So yeah, there's nothing there really there to support it. Yeah, there's nothing there to support it. So I'm gonna rid myself of that. Let's add the settlement price. All right, and that's basically it. Nothing really. I'm gonna look for something to develop. I don't really have much right now. Let's look at the 1 minute real quickly. 1 minute seems to have something good. So the 1 minute have this area here. That's a big move. Is there anything to support this? Nope, 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 nope. More nopes, more nopes. Nope, nope, nope. All right, maybe is this from? This is from yesterday. Nothing from today besides maybe this. So I'm gonna mark this here. All right, you can see that. Came back to it. Doesn't stay there for too long, right? About an hour drop. That's a big drop though. That's a good drop. 21 points. I'll take a 21 points anytime. All right. But I want to see price go lower. All right, let's go to NQ. We don't have much time. Market opens up soon. Daily. Okay. 4 hour. Okay. 1 hour. So this is a 1 hour level. 150. It's a 1 hour level. Yeah. Higher time frames takes precedence always. 30 minutes. Just take your time. All right. Okay. So something's going up here where there's volume accumulating. So what can we make of it is a question, but something's happening here. This 7 o'clock area definitely selling. Let's mark it like this because price did sell off there as well. Bam. Okay. Um, 15 minutes. Maybe we'll see a line, but and then 5 minutes. All right, kind of holding that, and then 1 minute. And so it's like a lot going on. But I'm not gonna hold my breath. All right, let's go to VIX. I need the high and the low from yesterday. Wow. All right, so maybe we'll get a nice bounce, or maybe we won't. Who knows? All right. Maybe we will. Maybe we won't. I didn't hold your breath about. So not gonna give me something to work with. Anywho's, market opens up in about 2 minutes. Let's put this back the way it was. Oh, that's fine. I'm gonna put this back the way it was. No, I think I like this area here. All right, just to be aware of that. Put everything back the way it was, and then we'll just wait for whatever life decides to give us. All right, remember, we're not forcing anything. We're trading what we see, not what we want to see. As far as news goes, today is the 10th. Should have had 8:30 news. So do that. 6. Oh. 10. see it. Oh, that's because it's still not gonna present itself. This one I just did. This one here. All right. So that's news. That's kind of important. All right. So I'm gonna mark this area. Maybe this area from him. This one or that one. All right. We'll just keep an eye on that. All right. Anyways, I'll let you later. Bye.